Hello guys, today we prepare mini cheesecake fantasy. For this recipe you need 100 grams of biscuit, the one that inside had the cream. So now we divide the biscuits, we remove the cream and we smash the biscuit, and with the biscuit we add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of sugar. We mix everything well and we prepare the base of our mini cheesecake. I will do 4 mini cheesecakes, so I will use 4 tablespoons of spread cheese. I will use the homemade, you can buy it, or cream cheese. 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of cooking cream, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of extract, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. And after you need the colors. So the colors, it's up to you because it's fantasy cake, so you can choose the color that you like it and mix. But I'll show you later how to do it, because now that we prepare the cream, I will divide in 4 or 5 cups and I will make 4 or 5 colors. After we put everything together and we bake in the oven preheated at 180 Celsius degree for more or less 20 minutes. But after I will tell you the right amount of time. After 20 minutes at 180 Celsius degree, our cheesecake are baked. So now we should let it cool down, and after we put in the fridge. And tomorrow, when they are very cold, because the cheesecake you must eat cold, we will taste it. So see you tomorrow. Spectacular. And also, every time that you take a spoon of cake, the cake changes because the color inside are different. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel here. You can read subscribe, push that, to leave me a like it and to watch all the other videos. Bye bye. For any comments or any question down in the comments. Bye.